In today's video, we are reviewing one of my favorite GMT watches. It's the Addiesdive AD2050, which comes with amazing specifications, and in this video I'll be sharing all of them with you. But before we start today's video, if you're new to the channel, a subscribe would be highly appreciated. And to support my work, you can become a channel member. Starting from the body, both the case and the straps are crafted from 316L stainless steel. We get a mix of polished and brushed surfaces on the straps as well as the case. It's available in different color options. We get aluminum bezel for the red and blue model, and for the black model we have the ceramic bezel. And on the top we get convex mineral glass with cyclops lens here, which makes it really easy to read the date. And we also have anti-glare blue film coating on the glass. Now let's talk about the parameters. The case diameter is 40mm with 48mm lug-to-lug length. The thickness is 14mm and the straps it is using are of 20mm width. As you can see here, the straps also support size adjustment, and you can also adjust the size using the clasp. And with size adjustment, the watch is compatible with wrists ranging from 13 to 20 centimeters diameter. It weighs 150.5 grams, which is heavy in my opinion, but many people actually prefer this weight because it gives impression of durability and quality. But considering the size of the watch, it feels quite comfortable on the wrist thanks to the amazing fit. We get a 7mm crown key here with Addiesdive logo on it. It's a screw-down crown key. It also features a screw-down case back with Addiesdive logo on it. And thanks to this, we have 200 meters water resistance for this watch, making it perfectly suitable for daily wear as well as for swimming. But it's better to take it off if the water is too hot and there are some chemicals in the water. And now it's time to talk about the movement. We have Swiss Ronda 515-248 dual time zone movement, providing it with -10 to +20 seconds per month accuracy. This movement uses SR920SW battery, which provides it with a battery life of about 45 months, which is a lot for a quartz watch. And now let's talk a bit about the dial. First of all, we have black surface, we get the Mercedes hour hand, we have ticking seconds hand, and we get an additional 24 hours hand. So now let me show you how to set the time. Pull the crown key all the way out, then I can set the time on the main clock. And then I'm gonna set it to 12 AM. Then push it once. I'm gonna move the bezel to match the time with this clock, and now if I move it upwards, it's gonna set the date, and if I move it downwards, it will set the time on the 24 hours clock. It's 12 AM on the main time, and if I move it here, it's 10 PM on the 24 hours hand. So there is a 2 hours difference. If I pull the crown key all the way out now, let's change the time on the main clock. So I'm gonna hit 6 AM. So according to the 2 hours difference, here you can see that currently it's 4 AM according to the bezel. So this is how you can take advantage of the GMT bezel and keep a track of 2 time zones. It also comes with luminous coating on all of the hands as well as the markers and the bezel. It has BGW9 coating for the red and blue model and C3 coating for the black model, which makes it really easy to read the time in the dark. So guys, that's all from today's video. It's currently retailed at about $80 worldwide. If you would like to place an order, you can find the link in the description box below. And to be honest, it is one of the best GMT watches that you can get in this price. For the upcoming videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will see you in the next one.